Stuart Jones. I gyfeiriad Hayes yn ei gadael hi Burke. Burke yr ergyd! I gefn yr hoed! Nathan Burke! Taran o ergyd o ymyl y cwrt Cosby. 34 o funudau wedi chwarae. Y tîm cartra ar y blaen. Danny Taylor ar tafliad I Llandudno'r peniad ymlaen gan Thomas Rŵl ar cliriad. A mae yna drosedd ydy hi'n gic o'r sfoten. Ydy'n wir Tom Dix ath I lawr. A mae yna gyfle fan hyn I Llandudno daro nôl. Hart! Gyrru Morris y ffordd anghywir. A mae Llandudno yn ôl yn gyfartal. Venables, ond amser I weld yr hediad gan Hayes, ond neb yn cael mae Les Davies yna rwan. Croesiad yn edrych am Davies! Les Davies ar ergyd! Venables. A Jordan Evans! Fi gafodd afal anu hi Evans. John tebyg i'r safle lle sgoriodd o'n Nghaerfyrddin penwythnos dwytha. Evans. A Davies. Yn bwysig yn Danny Taylor at Jordan Evans yn ôl at Les Davies. Allo droi hibio I Thomas. Mi allo at yr ochr bella! A mae'r bel ydy'r bel I mewn I gewn yr rwyd na chdi. Wir, mi oedd Venables a rwsyd ath hwnna ddim I mewn. 5 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae Nathan Burke. Ar gic gornel, y peniad gan Les Davies oddi ar y llinell. Mae yna I Hayes. Y peniad bron a roed y Bala yn ôl ar y blaen. Mae yna 4 yn y mur amddiffynol. Toby Jones yn uchelmannu hi o fymryn eibio'r postyn. Toby Jones, mor agos. 17 o funudau'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Nathan Burke ar gic gornel i'r Bala'r peniad. Unwaith eto yn cael ei chlirio ddi ar y llinell y peniad gan Les Davies. Jones yn edrych am Les Davies ar ôl beniad Sheridan, y peniad ymlaen, mae'n rhydd yn y cwrt, a mae Hayes sydd yn manteisio I reid y Bala yn ôl ar y blaen. 24 o funudau'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Y bêl o'r naill ben i'r llall. Hayes yn manteisio. Orwood. Danny Shaw. Davies yn disgwyl amdani, dyma Venables, hey, Sheridan yn taro trawst! A mae dal yna I Venables ar cliriad gan Joyce, Ian Sheridan. A'r trawst yn dal I grynu. Colin, 4th win on the bounce.
Yeah, it was good. I give the lads a bit of a rollick in a half-time. I thought we didn't start the game well enough. And then when we don't start the game well enough, then it just goes into an equal game, and we're not about that. We're about working hard and getting the results. And then second half we were outstanding, and I thought, well, 60 minutes in the game I thought we were outstanding, but we've got to start games better.
I've obviously taken over just for a couple of games. Both games have been difficult. The players have worked very hard. Their endeavour has been terrific. So, I've no complaints from that side, but it's impossible to try and get a side playing the way you want them to in 2 games. But commitment, nobody can fault anything of any of the players.
That's the second time that we've beat a team above us, which we spoke about before the start of the game. We had to beat teams above us, and the difference today could have been they could have been 4 points ahead of us, and we're 2 points ahead of them now. So, if ever there was a 6-pointer, that was one, and it's good, great win for the lads.
The Welsh Premier League is fantastic. I've played non-league back in England, and that obviously is a very good standard. But I've been so impressed with the Welsh League. Great people, great part of the country. It's a wonderful place.